Released as part of an update to all Apple Creator Studio apps, GarageBand for iOS and Logic Pro for both Mac and iPad just received a brand new sound pack, Step Reflex. It brings the iconic sound of 90s/2000s UK garage to Apple's DAWs, though in a strange omission as of the making of this video, it isn't currently available in GarageBand for Mac. GarageBand for iOS users get a stripped back version of the sound pack that includes over 500 royalty-free Apple loops. So if you enjoy chopping up samples and loop-based beat making, there's plenty to get stuck into here. Logic Pro users on iPad and Mac have access to the same loops as GarageBand users, plus 10 Drum Machine Designer kits, 28 synth sounds, and a live loops grid. As ever, the best way to get a feel for a new sound pack is by diving into its live loops grid. The included DMD kits here sound authentically grimy and really capture that turn of the century UK garage feel. The synth sounds are mostly old school feeling patches built around Logic's retro synth or Alchemy instruments, and there's a lot to like here, though most are firmly focused on that 90s garagey vibe that the pack is built around. So, I mean, if that's the sound you're going for, you'll undoubtedly like these. While 90s/2000s garage isn't a style of music I personally have a lot of interest in working on, I do appreciate Apple focusing in on really niche genres with these sound packs. Let me know what you think of the new Step Reflex sound pack down in the comments, and join me in crossing my fingers that GarageBand for Mac users aren't getting left behind in terms of new content releases, because that would really suck. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.